Hey everyone. All right, I'm here to talk about 5.3.5 practice. I'm omitting a lot of questions. This was not a carefully edited worksheet because a lot of the stuff they ask you about isn't actually in the text. Question one, they want you to say whether it's an alkane, alkene, or alkyne. So you can just look at the definitions of those three things on 5.1.1, page 5, 8, and 10, and you'll be able to figure that out. For question 2A, they want you to name the alkane. There's a couple different charts that show you names of alkanes on 5.1.1, page 7, and 5.1.3, page 3. These have very similar charts, so you could look at either one. But it's based on the number of carbons in the chain, okay? So for these ones, it's really easy to count the number of carbons. For these ones, just remember, each of these lines represents a single bond, and at the end of every segment, that's another carbon. So this has a carbon here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This has 8 carbons, okay? And then each carbon is surrounded by hydrogens, like you see in these other ones. They just don't write the carbon, the C for carbon, and they don't draw all the hydrogens just because organic molecules have so many carbon and hydrogens in them, it just gets tiresome. So they kind of make a shortcut. Same thing back here. Any line like that is a single bond. 2 lines is a double bond, like this. That's a double bond. And then 3 lines is a triple bond. Okay. And like I said, each intersect, there's a carbon here, 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 and here. Okay. It's just sometimes they don't actually write the C for carbon. Question 2B, you can omit that. And question 2C, you can omit. And 2D, you can omit as well. Okay. Question 3. 3A, identify the type of molecule shown in the drawing. Essentially, they want the functional group. Okay. So talk about, when you look in the text, they'll talk about all the names of these different functional groups and just give the name there. Okay. So the functional groups are described on different pages. 5.2.1, page 3, 5, 9, 10, 15, 18, and 21. Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different functional groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different spots. So you'll use a functional group that you find on each of those pages for these answers. And then B, you can omit that. All of question 4 did not seem to be in the text. There was a part of the text called biological molecules, but it didn't seem, I feel like these questions didn't actually go with it. So you can omit all of question 4. Question 5A, you can omit because they did not actually, you probably know the answer to this one, but the book actually did not spell out what was renewable or non-renewable. Question B is 5.3.1, pages 11 and 12. Question C, you can omit. Question D is in 5.3.3, page 11. And question E, you can omit. And question F, you can omit. Okay. So those are my tips and hints for 5.3.5 practice.